Sony has long been at the forefront of innovation in the television industry, continuously pushing the boundaries of picture quality, processing technology, and immersive sound. With its consistent history of delivering groundbreaking products, rumors are now circulating about Sony's upcoming flagship television release, the Sony Bravia 10 Mini LED TV. If the speculations prove to be true, this television could revolutionize the high-end home entertainment landscape, integrating cutting-edge display technology, AI-powered processing, and gaming-friendly features that will leave competitors scrambling to catch up. Let's explore what this much-anticipated model might bring to the market and why it's creating such a buzz in the tech world. Advanced Mini LED technology, pushing the boundaries of brightness and contrast. One of the most exciting aspects of the Sony Bravia 10 Mini LED TV is the anticipated refinement in Mini LED technology. Mini LED technology has already proven to be a game-changer in the TV market, offering superior contrast and more precise localized dimming than traditional LED panels. Sony is rumored to be enhancing this technology to new heights, with peak brightness levels potentially exceeding 2,500 nits. This would enable the Bravia 10 to display HDR content with stunning vibrancy, making it an ideal choice for viewing in rooms with ample natural light. By pushing the limits of brightness, Sony is positioning itself in direct competition with Samsung's Neo QLED and LG's OLED offerings. This enhanced Mini LED technology is expected to deliver a more refined contrast ratio with deeper blacks, setting a new standard for picture quality. Such advancements would not only benefit movie lovers and cinephiles but also offer a more immersive experience for gamers. The promise of perfect blacks paired with high brightness levels makes the Sony Bravia 10 Mini LED TV an attractive option for those seeking premium picture quality. AI-powered cognitive processing, a leap forward in image quality. Sony's cognitive processor XR has already made waves in previous Bravia models, utilizing artificial intelligence to analyze and optimize picture quality in real time. The Bravia 10 is expected to take this a step further by incorporating a more advanced version of this processor, possibly the XR Gen 3 or even the XR Pro. This next-gen AI processor would allow for better motion clarity, improved color accuracy, and more dynamic contrast adjustment, resulting in a viewing experience that feels more lifelike and immersive than ever before. Additionally, the processor would provide pixel-level fine-tuning, which would significantly improve image sharpness, upscaling of lower-resolution content, and overall picture quality. With such advancements, the Bravia 10 would deliver a superior viewing experience across all types of content, whether you're watching your favorite movies, sports, or gaming. Pricing and release. What to expect from Sony's premium TV. As with most high-end Sony products, the Bravia 10 Mini LED TV is expected to carry a premium price tag. Drawing from previous releases and the market positioning of similar models, the estimated pricing for different screen sizes could look something like this. 55-inch, $2,000 to $2,500. 65-inch, $2,800 to $3,500. 75-inch, $4,000 to $4,500. 85-inch, $5,500 and above. Sony has a history of unveiling its flagship models at the Consumer Electronics Show, CES, in January, with availability typically rolling out between March and June. If the Bravia 10 follows this pattern, pre-orders could open as early as April 2025, with the full release slated for June 2025. Gaming features, a dream for next-gen console gamers. Sony has been increasingly focused on gaming performance with its recent TV releases, and the Bravia 10 is expected to continue this trend. The inclusion of HDMI 2.1 support means that gamers can look forward to features such as 4K at 120 Hz, variable refresh rate, VR, auto low latency mode, and the potential for Dolby Vision gaming support. These features would offer gamers an ultra-smooth and responsive gaming experience, making the Bravia 10 an ideal choice for PlayStation 5 users. In addition, Sony's "perfect for PlayStation 5" branding might continue, providing exclusive enhancements like auto HDR tone mapping and optimized latency settings specifically designed for PS5. These features would further improve the gaming experience, ensuring that the Bravia 10 is an exceptional TV for next-gen console players. If Sony includes a 240Hz refresh rate option at 1080p, competitive gamers would have even more reason to choose the Bravia 10, as the ultra-smooth motion would give them an edge in fast-paced gaming. Immersive audio with acoustic multi-audio plus and Dolby Atmos. While picture quality is undoubtedly a crucial factor in the Bravia 10's design, Sony has also prioritized delivering top-tier audio performance. The Bravia 10 is expected to feature an upgraded acoustic multi-audio plus system, which aims to enhance directional sound placement for a more immersive viewing experience. By ensuring that the audio aligns with the on-screen action, this system will make content feel more lifelike. Additionally, Dolby Atmos support is almost a certainty, potentially paired with AI-driven sound upscaling for a richer, more dynamic sound experience. If Sony upgrades its built-in subwoofers, users may not even need to invest in a separate soundbar, as the Bravia 10 will likely deliver a fuller, more immersive audio experience straight from the TV itself. Elegant design with ultra-thin bezels and premium build quality.